Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing black nails with some gold glitter. So let's get straight into the video. As you can see, I already quote unquote pushed back my cuticle to expose the new growth, remove the shine from the natural nail bed to avoid any lifting, glued on my tips. And these tips, I didn't have to shape them. They're already pre-shaped, and I'll leave a link down below in the description box. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so we're gonna start off by placing the medium-sized bead right where the nail tip and the natural nail meet. And then I don't place it close to the cuticle, so what I do is pat down the back of that bead so it can be flushed along with the nail. And then I just pat in on the sides to prevent the acrylic from flowing over into the side walls. And then I'm gonna go ahead and create the shape that I want my smile line to look. Okay, so moving on to the second bead, you're gonna want to place this one right above the first bead and gently push it up towards the cuticle. Be careful not to over flat it, and then you're gonna gently just swipe it down, brush it down so it can blend in with that first bead. And with this bead, you are gonna want to build your apex, your thickness. It's best to have more than less, because you can always just foul it down at the end if it's too thick. And we will be doing this to all 4 nails. I don't know if you noticed in my videos, I don't do the thumb, only because I don't think I need to, and I don't want to waste my product on my fake hand. I'd rather use that for my clients. So yeah, I'll be doing the 4 nails only. Okay, so here you already see that the black acrylic has been laid on the tip. I guess my phone wasn't recording, so I do apologize about that. But the black acrylic that I used is from Nuni Taurus, and I actually love it. It applied very smoothly, not like other black acrylics that I used. The consistency was really chalky, but I really love this one from Nuni Taurus. And here you just see me applying the glitter right above the smile line, and I'm not swiping it all the way up towards the tip, only like maybe halfway. And I'm going to be doing this to all the nails, and then we're going to move on into encapsulating them. Okay, girls, so now I'm done applying the glitter acrylic on the nails, as you can see. Now we're going to move on into encapsulating them. So I'm just going to place this bead right above the smile line, and I'm going to gently swipe up so it can blend in with the bead that I did to create the nail bed. And then I'm going to gently swipe down towards the tip and make sure the whole tip is covered with the clear acrylic. And I'm going to be doing this to all 4 nails. Make sure you swipe down the side walls just so you can maintain your shape. All right, ladies, so here I'm pretty much done encapsulating all the nails. Again, I did all 4 nails, and then so now we're just gonna move on to the filing and shaping, which I already did off camera, as you can see here. I did file off the tip. I went more of a, I guess, coffin ballerina kind of look, and so now we're just gonna go ahead and do the gel top coat, and I used the Koopa, and we're gonna do this to all 4 nails. Again, remember that before you cure, you wanna swipe down the side walls just so you can maintain the shape. All right, and this is the part that we all look forward to, is applying the gel coat, so we can see that bling. So pretty. My favorite part, of course. All right, ladies, so this is the final look. I hope you enjoyed the video. I personally like these nails. They're very simple, very glamorous. So yeah, I love them. Again, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next video. Bye.